So, part 2. Kasi hindi kasya. Ayun, hindi ako natuloy. And I believe in redirection kasi. I believe in God's plan for me. And during that time, nakilala ko si Lord as well. And I was lost and insecure with a lot of things in life. As in, sobra. Like, malala. And luckily, kilala ko siya. I became a Christian on pandemic, but still believe, become a Christian. Kilala ko siya. And during pandemic, I was so devastated. Parang, I really asked him, bakit ganun? Bakit, di ba get ready with me lang, tapos story time. Pero it was so dramatic. Yeah, anyways, bakit ganun? And I fast na makauwi ako dito. And luckily, God give me the other opportunity to live here again with my mama. And I said na, I will stay here muna to take good care of my mom and face the reality of the world. And luckily, after that, dami ko ding nakilala. And we will stay with me during the times na I really sad. And who stay with me when I have nothing. Kilala ko din siya. And nakilala ko din yung sarili ko. Na I thought I'm not strong enough to face that specific issue on my life. But I was the mistake. No mistake. And nakilala ko siya. And I'm right now to dahil pinace ko yung problem na yun. I'm happy and confident enough as well. And anyways, during pandemic, I was also diagnosed with my endometriosis for my ovaries. And also, I also have hyperthyroidism. That's why I'm still fat even though, di ba? Even though, nagda-diet ako because I have hyperthyroidism, which is inside sa dito ko. Kahit anong ginawa kong pagda-diet, I have, and I faced that one, I faced that one. I faced the consequences in my life. And, ayun, di ako insecure na on my body. Kasi, but, I make sure na I eat healthy. Even though, kasi, importante din yan. But, I was trying to do diet as well. Kasi minsan nakaka-insecure din yung mataba. But I really face it na already, like I mentioned. And accept who I am. Mas maging masaya. And starting I know God, nalas na yung pressure sa buhay ko. Like, saan ako patungo, ganyan. anong mangyari sa buhay ko, bakit sila ganito, tapos ako, I'm still here, ganun. Nawala na yung phase na yun. And I'm really happy that I conquered that. So, di ba, ano lang nang pinagsasabi ko. So, ayun, I'm very proud of it na nakilala ko si Lord. As in, because of that, nakilala ko din yung boyfriend ko. And before I enter a relationship again, I make sure that I was healed on the past. The mistake that I did, I faced that so that di ko siya maging toxic on my next relationship. And I'm happy to face that kasi the more ha, um the more I hide, the more ka din i ihahunt on your trauma. For me ha, depende kasi yun on how you face. Depende, iba-iba tayo. That's my coop up. And ayun. So anyways, ayun, I'm happy and grateful. And the next target will be to travel the world with my mom and with my partner as well. And matapos yung bahay. Kasi gusto talaga ni mama ng may bahay. Ay matapos yung bahay na pinagawa. Ano pa? And yeah, if you will ask me before I become call center agent, I was working in the UST for Department of Science and Technology as researcher for malnourished and all over the Philippines. I really enjoyed that one as well. And ang ganda ng opportunity na yun. Sobra. Kasi nalibot ko yung Pilipinas. And ang daming kong natutunan as well. Ang daming needed for attention for the government. As in, na I hope pag makabalik ako, all the problem is already solved with the government as well. So, ayun. Like, waking up today, it feels like, so this is my final look. Wala pala akong lipstick. Buwa. Anyways, diba? Iba-iba na yung pinagsasabi ko, wala ng sense. So, I'm using the Maybelline. So, this is my final look. And thank you for listening. And I miss this. I miss wearing makeup. Bye! Ingat kayo. If you have questions, you can feel free to ask on how to become a VA as well. I'm really willing to help and send you a link for our agencies as well. And ayun, if you need, just follow my TikTok and YouTube as well. And have a great day. And take care. And ayun lang. Take care. I'm so girly right now. Look at my. Sorry for this, but yes, I finally I do it myself. Ang hirap, but I